In today's digital first world, businesses must stay ahead of customer expectations by providing fast, personalized, and seamless interactions across multiple communication channels. Customers expect support to be quick, efficient, and available 24/7, whether they are reaching out via phone, chat, email, or social media. This is where Genesys Cloud comes in, an industry leading cloud based contact center solution that helps businesses unify customer engagement, automate interactions, and optimize workforce management. Designed to enhance customer experience and agent efficiency, Genesys Cloud brings together omni-channel support, AI-powered automation, and real-time analytics to help companies deliver exceptional service at scale. Unlike traditional contact center solutions, Genesys Cloud is fully cloud-based, meaning it offers flexibility, scalability, and advanced AI-driven insights. It allows companies to manage customer conversations across multiple channels, implement intelligent IVR systems, and leverage AI driven analytics to optimize agent performance. This tutorial will guide you through the key features, benefits, and expert strategies for maximizing Genesys Cloud in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is its omni channel customer engagement. Genesys Cloud seamlessly integrates multiple communication channels: voice chat, email, SMS, social media, and messaging apps, allowing businesses to provide consistent and unified interactions regardless of how customers reach out. This improves customer satisfaction by eliminating frustrating channel switching and ensuring all interactions are managed in one place. Another key feature is its AI powered interactive voice response. Genesys Cloud uses intelligent IVR to automate call routing, allowing customers to self serve, check account details, or request assistance without long wait times. It also uses natural language processing to understand customer requests efficiently. This reduces call volume for live agents, leading to shorter wait times and faster resolutions. Another key feature is its smart chatbots and virtual assistants. AI driven chatbots provide instant support by handling frequently asked questions, scheduling appointments, processing payments, and gathering customer details before transferring to a live agent if needed. This enhances customer service efficiency while allowing human agents to focus on complex issues. Another key feature is the workforce optimization and performance management. Genesys Cloud includes advanced workforce management tools such as real time scheduling, performance tracking, and AI driven forecasting. Managers can predict call volumes, adjust staffing, and ensure optimal agent efficiency. This reduces operational costs and improves agent productivity by balancing workloads effectively. Another key feature is its CRM and third party integrations. The platform integrates seamlessly with Salesforce, HubSpot, Microsoft Dynamics, Zendesk, and other CRM systems. Additionally, it supports integration with Slack, Microsoft Teams, and business intelligence tools for enhanced collaboration. This ensures better customer insights, eliminates data silos, and streamlines workflows across departments. Another key feature is its real time sentiment and speech analytics. With AI powered speech and text analytics, businesses can monitor customer sentiment in real time to detect dissatisfaction, evaluate agent performance, and improve service delivery. This helps businesses proactively address customer concerns, leading to higher retention rates and stronger brand loyalty. So, why is Genesys Cloud a great choice in 2025? Genesys Cloud stands out as a top tier customer engagement platform due to its ability to unify all communication channels and leverage AI driven automation. Unlike traditional call centers that rely on on premise infrastructure, Genesys Cloud's fully cloud based model allows businesses to operate from anywhere, ensuring reliable and consistent service delivery. With powerful AI and automation tools, Genesys Cloud reduces agent workload, minimizes customer wait times, and enhances overall efficiency. The real time sentiment analysis and performance monitoring features help companies proactively identify customer pain points and improve service strategies. Another major advantage is its flexibility and scalability. Whether a business is a small startup or a large enterprise, Genesys Cloud can adapt to changing needs without requiring costly infrastructure upgrades. Ultimately, Genesys Cloud is a future proof solution that enables businesses to offer superior customer service, increase operational efficiency, and drive long term customer loyalty. So basically, Genesys Cloud is more than just a contact center solution. It's a comprehensive platform designed to help businesses elevate customer interactions, streamline operations, and boost efficiency. So, by leveraging Genesys Cloud's automation, analytics, and integration capabilities, companies can stay ahead of industry trends, increase agent productivity, and deliver personalized customer experiences at scale. So if your business is looking to improve customer engagement, workforce management, and integrate AI-driven automation, Genesys Cloud is the perfect solution for 2025 and beyond. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.